Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about MilkyWay Airdrop. So currently Binance Lab have invested in this project guys, so that's the only reason I'm making video about this one. So already I made a tweet about this particular project long back and many people wanted me to make a video about this one, so that's why I'm making video currently. And if you want to participate in this video, it's very simple. This video will be very short and simple so that you'll be able to easily join here. And before we see about it, if this is the first time visiting to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys and like this video and continue watching it. Many of you are watching my videos without liking it. It hardly takes 1 second of your time to hit the like button guys. And this is our Telegram channel. Here only I'll be updating all sorts of license information, airdrop details, airdrop link and everything. So in case if you haven't followed me here, must follow me here also guys. With that being said, let's get into the video. So it's actually a staking platform only where we'll be able to stake Celestia, and by staking Celestia we'll be able to earn points. So more number of points you get, the higher number of airdrop you will be receiving in the future. Okay, so how to stake? It's very simple. You will be able to get this link in the description. So once you click on the link, it will take you here. So you need to have your Kepler wallet ready. Okay, so here you need to have your Kepler wallet ready. All you have to do is just install the wallet and keep your seed phrases somewhere safe, and buy Celestia from Binance or else Budget or somewhere. Okay, so and then send it here. So you can see guys, currently I'm having 25 Celestia. Okay, so which is TIA. So after you receive your TIA from Binance or Budget account, so after you receive your fund in your wallet, so it's very easy to stake. Okay, so once you come inside and here you can see your amount. Okay, so if you click on stake and then we just need to make the transaction, so requesting, and then Kepler wallet will open. We will be easily do the transaction. Okay, but before you do that, you gotta know one thing. If you want to withdraw your fund, so you need to wait for 21 days to 24 days if you want to withdraw without withdrawal fee, or else if you want to withdraw it right away immediately, means you can withdraw immediately in osmosis. Okay, so you'll be able to swap your milk TIA for TIA right away. You'll be able to do it, but here you can see we'll be using the price impact of 1.68% will be losing in the transaction. Okay, but you will be swap back it, but instantly you will be able to swap back to TIA. Okay, so it's totally up to you to try this one. In case if you want your fund immediately in your hand, you can do this one. Only loss you're going to face is 1.68% only, but since it's investment based one, you gotta do at your own risk guys. But personally I'm going to stake, because whatever project which are Binance Lab invested, it has a high chance of getting listed in Binance. So in case if it's getting listed in Binance and all, surely we'll be able to get a decent amount of airdrop. Okay, so how to join is very simple. Like I already told you, you need to have some balance in your wallet only. So I'm going to deposit around $255. Okay, so which is 24 I'm going to exactly deposit 25 Celestia. Okay, so just click on stake, and once you click on the stake, and then your Kepler wallet will come. So just click on approve, and once you click on approve, it will be sending your funds. Okay, and then your fund will be staked here. So now here you can see guys, it got sent and liquid staked. Okay, so if you click on the transaction, you'll be able to see the transaction got successfully done. So now here you can see guys, we successfully staked it, and here you can see the milk TIA, you received it, and in the withdraw tab you will be able to see the balance. Okay, so if you try to withdraw, we'll be able to see. Okay, so here you can see, if you click instant withdraw, and if you want to withdraw it, just click on withdraw and come here. All you have to do is just connect your Kepler wallet, and then just click on approve, and then it will get connected, and click on the maximum amount, and then you'll be able to swap back from milk TIA to TIA again, but you will be receiving only 24.55 TIA only. So when I deposited, it was around 25 TIA token, but I'll be receiving only 24.55. Okay, so hardly I'll be losing some $5 worth of value only I'll be losing if I want to swap it now. Okay, so I don't see much risk here. We'll be able to swap anytime we want, and market is also currently down, so I already wanted to invest in TIA. So in that way I'm just holding TIA inside this particular platform, so that I'll be earning the points. Okay, so if you click on the points, you'll be able to see your global rank and then the total points, how much you'll be receiving. It will be shown up here, and in the leaderboard we'll be able to see where we are standing. Okay, and how it works and all. Here you can see it's points based only, so the higher amount of TIA you stake, the more number of points you'll be receiving it. Okay, simple concept, it's nothing to complicate. So if you want to get more number of airdrop, you gotta stake more number of TIA. Okay, so for example 25 is the minimum, and if you want to get a decent amount of airdrop and all, try to deposit above $1000. That's when you'll be able to get a decent amount of airdrop from this kind of investment based airdrop. Okay, so the only thing why we participated in this airdrop is it is backed by Binance. Okay, so Binance Lab have officially invested in this project, so probably it will be a huge airdrop, so must try this one, guys. So we might get some decent amount of return from this one. So since it's an investment based airdrop, so try at your own risk. So that's it, guys, in this video. I hope you have liked this video. If you do so, hit the like button. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video until the very end.